Kuvempu University, an affiliating university established in 1987. It is a state university recognized by UGC under 2F and 12B. The university has been named after great Kannada writer Sri Kuvempu and has achieved a distinctive academic profile and a cultural identity of its own. It sprawls over an area of 230 acres of a lush green, picturesque locale, providing the right ambience for higher education. The main buildings of the university has been constructed on small hillocks, thus blending naturally with the landscape. The entire campus area is free from any form of pollution. The undisturbed and pleasant atmosphere on the campus makes it ideally suited for the pursuit of higher education and research. Vision of the university. Kuvempu University shall strive to become an international center of excellence in teaching and research to provide high-quality, value-based education to all through various modes to meet the global challenges. Mission of the university. Foster creativity in teaching, learning and research to build a knowledge base and promote quality initiative, providing access to education to all, develop human resources to meet the societal needs. Kuvempu 5 tenets. Manujamatha, the religion of man. Vishwapatha, the universal path. Sarvodaya, the welfare of all. Samanvaya, reconciliation. Purna Drushti, the holistic vision. The jurisdiction of the university spreads over the districts of Shivamogga and Chikmagaluru. The university offers undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs in a wide range of disciplines. It has 35 postgraduate departments in the faculties of Arts, Commerce, Education and Science and Technology. The university has its headquarters at Gyan Sahyadri campus, Shankaraghatta, Shivamogga district, Karnataka. The university has 99 affiliated colleges. These include 3 constituent colleges, 30 government-aided colleges, 65 unaided private colleges, and 1 college under the direct control of the university spread over the 2 districts offering undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Professor B.P. Veerabhadrappa, the Honorable Vice-Chancellor of Kuvempu University, is a renowned scholar in economics, an able administrator, and a social worker.
Kuvempu University is one of the outstanding universities in Karnataka, and it has created a great history for the last 32 years in all the academic endeavors, in all the academic opportunities that were available right from the beginning. And Kuvempu University has obtained 73rd place in the NIRF ranking and first place in KUSRF ranking and 451 place in QS ranking and 230 place in Southeast Asian countries. In that context, Kuvempu University has occupied a pivotal position in occupying the great seat of learning in the academic excellence and also in academic contributions.
Professor S.S. Patil, the Registrar of Kuvempu University, is an eminent educationist and has vast experience as an educational administrator in the field of teacher education and general education.
Welcome to this Temple of Knowledge. I am Professor S.S. Patil, the Registrar of Kuvempu University. Hearty welcome you to our university. Kuvempu University has got 30 postgraduate departments in this campus and around 9 postgraduate departments in different locations, especially in Sahyadri College, in Kadur, in Chikmagalur. Kuvempu University has got number of facilities for the learners. It has got a very good ICT infrastructure, and there are provisions for online learning, and ICT equipments are being used to cater to the needs of all types of learners. The research work that is being carried out in Kuvempu University is of international standards. Many students across the country are learning in this university. Dear students, I assure you, full facilities, and I welcome you to come and join this university, which will be a place of not only cognitive development but also all-round development of the personality, including spiritual development.
Professor P. Kannan, the Registrar Evaluation of Kuvempu University.
Ever since its inception, Kuvempu University has been pioneering institute in digitalization of examination service. Kuvempu University stands first among many of the universities in our country in computerization of examination service. Kuvempu University has adopted a hassle-free method of issuing degree and convocation certificate immediately after the convocation ceremony is over, directly to the concerned students, by putting an end to the tedious old manual application system to obtain their degree certificate or convocation certificate. In the continuation of the process of upgradation and reforms, as well as commitment to transparency, accountability, and speed, a unique online e-verification system called My Verification System is first introduced in our university.
The university provides a number of facilities to the students. The university has a well-equipped. In the midst of its excellent setup of academic activities, the library acts as a nerve center catering to the academic and research needs of the students, covering science, social science, and humanities engaged in higher pursuit of knowledge. Kuvempu University Library has been shaped as a center of excellence for academic and research pursuits by keeping itself open to the changes brought in by information and communication technologies. The library is actively participating and contributing for the success of UGC's InflibNet and InfoNet activities and availing the benefits of these programs for the benefit of its users. Kuvempu University campus is well equipped with LAN and Wi-Fi facilities. The university has a well-equipped health center and sufficient male and female doctors who are assisted by the necessary staff. The university provides accommodation in well-equipped, safe and secure hostels with hygienic food for its inmates. University campus has multi-purpose outdoor play field for the campus students and also for the physical education students. The university has indoors sports complex. Manuja Matha, Vishwapatha, Sarvodaya, Samanvaya, Purna Drushti. This is Kuvempu University.